Good morning, students. Okay, let us continue. Page number 105, H options. Section, find their group name and write them in the blanks. One is done for you. Elephant, tiger, lion, monkey, land animals. Eel, seal, walrus, seahorse, sea animals. Pearl, coral, conch, oil, sea products. Submarine, ship, yacht, ferry, water transports. Kite surfing, scuba diving, parasailing. It's a water games. Albatross, penguin, pelican, fish, hawk, seabirds. You have to get in thorough with this, understand and read clearly. Okay, next one, sea turtles, page number 106. Next one, page number 107, unit 2, prose, when the trees walked. You have to get in thorough touch with this lesson with section 1, glossary, fertile, abundant, vigorous. Next one, in section 2, you have to read glossary, protested, nightmare, interfering. And section 3, you have to read question answer, discussion answer. What did grandmother feel about trees growing in the house? Why did the author leave town? How did grandfather dream come true? Describe what the author saw when he went back to the island. Here, what did the grandfather feel about tree grows? Already the question answers were being provided to you. So each question and answer, you have to read the question answers clearly, understand it, then read. Should not mug up your answers. Next one, glossary, rampling, sprout, spectacular, beacon. Next one, tick the appropriate option. You have to read the 6 and select the correct answers. Next one, page number 116. It's not given in your pattern. Next one, vocabulary, compound words. Okay, F, using, you have to complete the prefix and suffix using ly. Then after G section, you have to start these words. That means you have to finish using antonyms using the chart given that starts with S. Hard, soft, fat, slim, weak, strong, big, small, fast, slow, hide, show, rough, smooth, dull, smooth. Okay, you have to read this. If there is any changes in this, just make a note it down and read. Okay, next one, listening, then pictogrammar. Tick the right option to fill in the blanks. You have to read it thoroughly. Next one, look at the punctuation, where you have to punctuate the following. Next one, work in pairs and say the sentence to each other. Do you hear my difference in the way in it spoken? Discussions are with the clear, discuss the difference in meaning of the sentence. This is a banyan tree. Here refers to a statement. Next one, is this a banyan tree? Refers to the question. What a beautiful banyan tree. It refers to exclamatory. Look at the banyan tree. Refers to statement. Okay. Here in N, Roman letter N, you can see 10 sentences which indicates the some changes in the sentence, and you have to write S for statement, R for request, and C for command. Okay, Kana. Now let us see the what are the sentences that have, how can you use this, or how can you understand. Okay, identify the sentence. Here already we have seen H, M. Fourth, look at this banyan tree is an imperative sentence. You have to write as a imperative. In bracket you have to use command. Next one, the tendril moved towards grandfather is a statement. I want a roof over my head is a statement. please. Here the word please refers to request. Please do not cut trees is an request. We spend the whole day plant saplings is a statement. Will you please, here please refers to remove the trees growing on the wall, refers to a request. There was a forest on the island is a statement. Go the river bed is a command. Go there, come here, stand on line, go in line is a command. The island was a green paradise refers to a statement. Grow more trees to protect nature is a command, giving an order. You have to plant trees to protect our nature is an order. Grandfather's dream had come true is a statement. Okay, Kana. Next one, writing skills. In this writing skills, you have no pattern to description. Just go on to this grow and protect trees. Okay. Next one, poem trees. You have to read this poem thoroughly, as it is a memory poem given for you in this pattern for 5 marks. Before starting this poem, you have to write your poem name, then author name, or after completing the poem lines asked in your question paper, you have to write your 5 lines or 4 lines given as per question paper and write your author. In each poem, you have to every time when you write your poem, you have to write your poem name, poem lines that is asked in the question paper, at last the author name, adapted and based on the poem by Sarah Coleridge. You have to give the name. This heading and the name of the author takes up 1 marks, and remaining 4 lines takes 4 marks. And this each and every line should first line should start with capital letter. Nouns naming words should take the capital letter. The sentence completing with commas should take commas and quotation marks wherever necessary. Okay. Now let us see the trees once again. I will teach you the trees poem. Just take it down. Take it down your notes for this poem trees. Okay. First line, the banyan tree is the largest of trees. The banyan is the largest tree of all is the first line's answer. Poem. Banyan is the largest tree. This is already given in your picture. The peel quivers in the breeze. Here, and the word quivers refers to